Zia and productivity go hand in hand. With simple prompts, emails are drafted in seconds, and customer insights are crystal clear. Imagine Zia doing it all. A digital teammate to complete tasks and resolve issues. With agentic AI, that's now reality. Meet Zia Agents, AI teammates that handle everything from customer support to ticket resolution. Let's set up your Zia agent. First, open Setup. You'll find Zia Agents under the User Management category. After reading and understanding the conditions, click Enable. Currently, we offer two AI agents, the Support Specialist and the Resolution Expert. You can enable either one or both, depending on your needs. Hover over an AI persona and click on the View and Activate button. At the top of the page, you'll find the agent name, Support Specialist. This is how the agent will appear to customers and within the help desk. Click the Activate button. You'll be taken to Zia Agent Studio, where the authorization process takes place. Now, click the Deploy button and select the first option. Then, select Zoho Desk. Confirm that you agree and click Continue. In the first step, select your organization's portal and click Continue. Then select the agent's role in your help desk and the departments in which they must be active. Click Continue. You can rename your agent if you want to exchange Support Specialist for a friendlier title. Click Continue and then Done. That's it. Your Zia agent is active and ready to roll. See for yourself how it works.
I am the support specialist. I respond to support tickets with genuine empathy. When I am assigned a ticket, I can respond politely and resourcefully to the customer, after confirming there are no recent outgoing messages in the ticket. If the customer sounds frustrated and asks for a human agent, or says they don't have the required knowledge, I can move the ticket to the unassigned queue and add a private comment explaining the reason.
I am the resolution expert. When I am assigned a ticket, first, I ensure that it's a closed ticket. Then, summarize all the conversations, and I can add or update the solution provided in the Resolution tab. Usually, the resolution should first present the details of the customer issue, followed by an explanation of how it was resolved.
Zia Agents. Your AI teammates, crafted with a human touch.